Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to download UFL on a PS5 or PS5 Pro. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If you wish to download UFL on a PS5 or PS5 Pro, all you need to do is go to the Play Store, and then you can press triangle in order to quickly go to search. If the game is trending on this list, then of course you should be able to easily find it, like it is visible right now, so you can just simply select it and start downloading. If not, then of course you can use this search bar at the top, and then over here you can enter UFL and then press done, and you should be able to find the game. So you can select it, and then over here you should be able to download it. In my case, it says play game because I have this game already installed. And that's it. So that's basically how you can download UFL on a PS5 or PS5 Pro. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.